Okay, hi traders. I apologize for that. The audio apparently was not working, but we're good to go now. So I'll give a few minutes to get everyone set up. Apologize again for that. That was weird. And it took a while to reconnect the stream, but we're good now. If there's any other audio problems or troubles in the stream, let me know. I don't want to go through half the stream and figure out then. So. If you haven't gone on the portal, please do. Obviously, if you want to ask questions, then you can just pop out to the YouTube and ask them. Going based off what we said in the previous chat, so in the chat about 5 minutes ago in the earlier live, someone asked about EURAUD. So we'll go into it. That's one of the signals I sent out, and just going down, breaking it down from going on from yesterday. We had this bearish flagpole pattern, and we entered somewhere around here. We went 10 pips into profit, and then price rebounded at this key level we plotted. And once it made a mini run to our stop loss, and we got stopped up by 4 pips. And then obviously you see price went to our projected take profit area. It kind of annoyed me how it did that, but it happens. We could have, with the risk to reward with this, over 2.0, we could have extended our stop loss past this recent high. But I just felt, because this key level right here, this level right here, if you don't have it in your charts plotted, because it was such a key level, I thought, at max we're just going to retest it, maybe do a fake out, then go down. But we had a pretty decent size fake out. 4 pips. And then price literally surged back, had no regard for anything, and just went right to our take profit level. My bad. And currently we're stalling at that level. So whoever asked for EURAUD when there was no audio, what I was saying is right now we might rebound, like we are doing so at the current moment. Might rebound back to this level, even up to here. Overall, looking on the daily time frame, it is a short, and until we show any real significance in terms of buyers, it will be that way. Just popping to the daily, obviously we came off this huge resistance zone right here, and since then we've just been producing lower highs and lower lows. Yesterday we had this. Let me zoom in. So we had this. It's hard to see because of this. Let me remove it. So we had this kind of doji printed out. And so, a lot of people thought it was reversing. I had a comment on yesterday's live session video saying, why would you go short when we just broke a 6-day trend line? The reason why is obviously you want to trade with the trend. The overall trend is down, and we're coming off a key level, right? Just looking to the left, it's been a key level for quite some time. As discussed in yesterday's live, it's popping to the weekly. So it's been support here and resistance. Looking to the left, it's been resistance. It was support here, going down further. Resistance, so it's a key level, right? This level right here, make sure you get it down. So if you're looking for shorts, look for something like this to play out. Wait for a close below this level. So we have wicked, but we've never closed below it. So look for a nice close below this level, and you can short it to our nice support zone right here. So look for a close somewhere down below here, a retest, rejection, and you can short to the support zone. In terms of specifics, this is what you want to look for. Let me know if the stream is lagging or whatnot, because I am using a new monitor today. But look for something like this to play out. You can put the stop loss right around the recent high. But watch for the overall price action. Don't use a sell stop, because what price can do is come back here and then just close above, which we don't want. We want to close below, a retest and a rejection, and you have a nice short to make up the pips we lost. Keep sending questions in, and the pairs, so I can go over them. If not, we'll go based on what the last chat said earlier today. So USD yen will be the next pair we look at. and there's a short printing for USD yen, so I might call that, USD is weak. I wrote a blog article about the technical and fundamental weakness that the USD is showing. But yeah, that's Euro Aussie. We had the right idea, got stopped about 4 pips, but it happens. It's only our second loss for the week. But moving on to Euro USD yen, for whoever asked, we've come pretty deep into our support zone. Popping to the daily, we'll see what we're looking at. So overall trend has been down, since up here we've been making lower highs, lower lows. Going to plot a trend line, we can actually do that right now. Okay, so we have this trend line in purple. Zooming in, what can we see? So this blue region right here, this violet, purple, navy region, whatever you want to call it, is our support region, and it's been holding the USD yen since the start of June. But I believe it's time we make another push to this level right here. As you can see, we've kind of attempted to close below this level. So in terms of the daily time frame, I do see us going to this level right here, around 110.814 right here. Make sure this is on your charts. Going to the 1 hourly, looking for an entry. I hope this stream's not lagging. But in terms of entry, it's the same ordeal. So we've wicked plenty of times below this level, but we haven't had a closure. So if you just look for a nice closure, maybe a retest of this box, and we'd have a nice short down. We are trading with the trend, so it's overall a high probable trade. So just look for that. We do have some support at this level right here, at this green level right here. So that'd be our first take profit. If you're looking for specifics, watch out for something like this. You can have your stops. Oops. Yeah, the stream is lagging. I feel it's dragging my CPU down. Okay, so in terms of specifics, look for something like this. At least to our first take profit level, and then our second one, which we discussed on the daily, somewhere here. If there's an entry or the shorts are a go, I will call it today. Today's Thursday. I'll probably send out a few more trades for the week, just end it off. But that's what we can watch out for. There's a lot of lag. Okay. Hopefully when the video is processed, there won't be. We're trying out a new monitor. It's a big TV. Maybe that's the reason. Starting from now, I guess I'll just use my computer. Aussie. Let's look at Aussie. We had Aussie unemployment yesterday come out, so we can look at the fundamentals after I analyze it technically. But okay, so even Aussie and NZDUSD, I entered NZDUSD longs yesterday, is looking like a long, and we actually have a nice spot to enter. Just looking at the daily, obviously we have a descending trend line here we spoke about. Zooming in, we just broke a key resistance, and we've closed above our trend line right here. So in terms of a range fill, we can do that. Looking to the left, we had a range from this key level to this key level, and I believe that's what we're looking at. We can go long. I'll probably call it if this candle closes the way it does. We'll go to the lower time frame, but if this daily candle closes the way it does, Aussie is looking to move up higher to this level right here. I'm not gonna say the levels anymore, just so people get the accurate level down on their chart. Sometimes these minors and majors have weird decimals, so just make sure you have that level down. But you can have something like this play out. The risk reward will be amazing, just because we broke a key zone. That if we close anywhere below it, and it's a trend line, if we close anywhere below this resistance and this trend line, it may be that we're looking to go down further below, and it's a fake out. But in terms of longs, you could enter right now and have a definitely a nice intraday setup. The risk to reward, phenomenal. Looking to the hourly, maybe on the hourly we'll get a more specific entry. So on the hourly, we are starting to produce higher highs, higher lows. So overall trend is a long. We're running into some hourly resistance. So the hourly provides more clarity. So the hourly resistance is kicking in. We're looking to retrace. So the entry would be a bit above it. Look for a close above this hourly resistance right at this level. This level right here. This is our resistance, and this gray area, this gray number is our entry. So look for price to close back above this resistance, and we can go higher to the level I indicated on the daily. But a lot of great setups. Too bad the week is pretty much over. It's Thursday. Yeah, I can tell this is lagging. I apologize. I just wanted to give a bigger view for you guys because my laptop, which I do it on, is it's pretty small. So this is what we can see. Watch out for the closure, and you can enter long. If not, if we do close below this trend line, we could have a short back to somewhere here. Keep them questions coming. The EURAUD recover USD yen. I apologize for the lag, Alvar. From now on, we'll just use the PC. USD yen, gold. We'll do gold and euro, and then we'll end it off. I don't want to make you guys watch a laggy stream. Okay, so I believe Tuesday or Wednesday we shorted gold for like a nice 60 or 70 pips, and since then we've had a bounce off our first take profit level, our nice key level. Plot these levels down on your charts. They're major, and looking at the current price action, we're reacting to our resistance. If you go to the live stream starting Monday of this week, I talked about this resistance right around 1429. 1429 has held